Let us today discuss a Leetcode problem of search in a 2D matrix. Let's have a look at the question. We are given a m cross n integer matrix, and which is row is in sorted in non-decreasing order, and first integer each row is greater than the last integer. Here I can see in the example 1, first integer in each row is greater than the last integer of the previous one. The row number 1, if we take index from this 0, this is indexing 0 row, this is index 1 row, this is index 2 row. If we take 10 element, this element, so this is bigger than the previous row's last element. This is the first element of the second row, and this is the last element of the second row. Obviously 10 greater than 7. That is what said in the second bullet point. And we have to search, we are given a target to search through the whole matrix, and if we get the target from the 2D matrix, then we should return true, and if we not, then we should return false. And we have to keep in mind that we must write this solution in the log m cross n. So let's think of an approach. What can be the approach? The brute force method can be we iterate through the each of the element in the 2D matrix, and then compare the each element with the given target, and if we found, then return true, or if we don't found, then return just false. So that will be a brute force method. But what can I do instead? So let's use this line: each row is sorted in non-decreasing order. So I can say, looking at the example 1 matrix or example 2 matrix, the array, sorry for the array, the 2D matrix is sorted. So whenever a sorted array or sorted 2D matrix is given, we can pretty much apply a binary search algorithm to get our answer. So let's have a look how to implement binary search in the problem. Like, first we do int I equal to 0, int j equal to let's have matrix. This is the matrix input given, the column length I am taking here, -1, just because the indexing start from the 0, and let iterate through the matrix. But this is kind of an optimized iteration using binary search. So what should I do? When I less than matrix dot length, matrix dot length here is the row size, and we should pass I the column size is greater than equal to 0. Then we should do the target comparison. So how should we do that? Let's have a if condition, and each in the technique, each in the iteration, we go to the matrix I and j is equal to target, then we should return true. Okay, and if not, what should I do? Else, if the matrix element is greater than the target, what should we do? Okay, let's have a look. So if the element is greater than the target, we should go back to the previous element. So if what is the value, present value of the j is the matrix length minus 1, like this is the jth position, we should go back. So we should decrement the j. So what could we do? Just do j minus minus, and else if not, then do do I plus plus to iterate through the second row, I plus plus, and finally if anything not found, then just return false. So let's once run it. uh, okay, both the test case passed. Then let's try to submit it. What? Okay, so that's okay. Okay, so that was the solution for the 2D matrix. If anything occurs, any problem, then just comment in the comment box.